Ever feel like you're doing something not quite right? What if I told you many everyday items have hidden secrets? Welcome to the Daily Tens, where today we're revealing the top 10 everyday things you've been using wrong. Get ready to have your mind blown. Kicking it off with bobby pins. That wavy side, it's meant to go against your scalp for a firmer grip. Next, toothpaste. You only need a pea-sized amount, not a full brush. More foam doesn't mean cleaner teeth. Plungers aren't one size fits all. The flat one is for sinks, and the one with the flange. That's your toilet hero. Flossing properly means wrapping the floss around your fingers, creating a C shape around each tooth. Your car's headrest is easily removable. It's not just for comfort. It can be used to break glass in emergencies. Tic Tacs. The lid has a small indentation to dispense one at a time. No more accidental cascades. Your Chinese takeout box unfolds into a plate. Mind blown, right? The hole on your soda can tab is a straw holder. No more floating straws. Pot handles often have a hole. It's not just for hanging. It's perfect for holding your stirring spoon. That plastic bread tag? Beyond sealing, it's often color-coded to tell you when the bread was baked. Did you know those little arrows on gas gauges point to the side your gas tank is on? Super handy. The ridge on the F and J keys on your keyboard. They help you find the home row without looking. Why are jar lids so hard to open? Because they create a vacuum seal. Tap the edge firmly on a counter to break it. Those small pockets on jeans? They were originally for pocket watches, but now they're great for coins or small items. The perforated tabs on aluminum foil and plastic wrap boxes, push them in to keep the roll from falling out. Ever wonder about the holes in airplane windows? They regulate cabin pressure and prevent fogging. Safety first. The little dimple at the bottom of wine bottles, it's called a punt, and it helps distribute pressure, makes the bottle stronger, and helps with chilling. Can you believe how many common items we've been misusing? It's like finding a secret level in real life. Which of these hacks surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Daily Tens for more amazing discoveries. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay sharp, and we'll see you next time on the Daily Tens.